Good afternoon, everyone. I hope all is well. I'm here with my Milwaukee tool M12 compact bandsaw. You all know it's my favorite, but I just wanted to show you a few of the materials that I cut with at the moment. On the top here, schedule 40 1-inch black iron. Get a nice view of the blade, so you get a nice straight cut. And then you don't want to force it, just let the tool do its thing, and it will eat right through nice. There's the 1-inch. Now we'll do our strut. Just forcing it a little bit there, and you can tell by the sound. There's that. 2-inch copper pipe.